What if I told you, your vlogging camera might be holding you back with shaky footage, bad autofocus, or fuzzy audio? We tested 15+ top models in real-world conditions, filming in 4K, testing low-light performance, and evaluating built-in mics, and the results will shock content creators. One popular camera lost focus every time you moved, while our number 3 delivered razor-sharp, studio-quality video even while walking. If you want to look pro without the hassle, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Camera. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is designed to elevate your vlogging experience. With its 1-inch CMOS sensor, you can capture stunning 4K video at 120 frames per second, perfect for breathtaking landscapes and night scenes. The 2-inch touchscreen allows you to frame your shots effortlessly, whether shooting in landscape or portrait mode. Say goodbye to shaky footage, thanks to its advanced 3-axis stabilization that ensures smooth recording during your adventures, whether you're dancing or hiking. Plus, the ActiveTrack 6.0 feature keeps you in focus, so you can concentrate on your performance without worrying about framing. Number 2. VJIANGER 4K Digital Camera. The VJIANGER 4K camera is an excellent choice for anyone looking to capture high-quality photos and videos. With a stunning 64MP resolution and a 3-inch flip screen, you can easily frame your shots and take selfies. The 18x digital zoom allows you to get closer to your subject without losing clarity, making it perfect for vlogging or capturing distant scenes. Plus, with built-in Wi-Fi, sharing your photos and videos on social media is a breeze. You can even use your smartphone to control the camera remotely, giving you flexibility and convenience while shooting. Number 3. Duluvulu 48MP 4K Digital Camera. The Duluvulu 4K camera is designed for photography enthusiasts and vloggers alike. With its ability to capture stunning 4K videos and Ultra HD 48MP images, you can ensure that every detail pops. The 3-inch flip screen is perfect for taking selfies or creating engaging vlogs, making your content creation easier. Plus, it conveniently doubles as a webcam for live streaming and video chats. With 2 rechargeable batteries included, you won't have to worry about running out of power while capturing your favorite moments. This camera truly enhances your photography and vlogging experience. Number 4. Zostuic 4K Vlogging Camera. The Zostuic 4K camera is designed to enhance your photography and videography experiences. With its 4K video capabilities and anti-shake features, you can capture every moment in stunning detail, making it perfect for vlogging or live streaming on platforms like YouTube and Facebook. The 48MP resolution paired with an 8MP CMOS sensor allows you to take high-quality photos effortlessly, ideal for close-ups or landscapes. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, and the built-in flash ensures your shots are clear, even in low-light situations. Enjoy the convenience of a camera that fits your lifestyle. Number 5. Sony ZV-1F. The Sony ZV-1F vlog camera is a perfect choice for content creators and vloggers. With its ultra-wide 20mm lens, you can capture everything in the frame, even when you're holding the camera at arm's length. The large 1-inch sensor and f2 lens allow you to shoot in low-light situations and achieve beautiful defocused backgrounds. The IAF and autofocus tracking technology ensure that your subjects are always in focus, keeping your videos sharp and professional. Additionally, the side-articulating touchscreen LCD makes it easy to compose selfie shots, while the directional 3-capsule mic with the included windscreen accessory ensures clear and high-quality audio. With the Sony ZV-1F vlog camera, you can create amazing content with ease and precision. So, which vlogging camera will you use to create your next viral video? Roll camera in the comments. If this game-changing review upgraded your content, record that like button, it helps us test more. Want more creator tech truths? Subscribe, next week we're testing ring lights. All our top picks are linked below. Lights, camera, action!